Okay, so from the assignment, you are going to select the choice board. When you open the choice board, it will look like this. You are going to start here where it says start here. First, click the video. The video, if it comes up with something like this, just allow it. It's a YouTube video. It'll bring up the video that you need to watch, and you'll go from there. From the next choice, then you'll go to where it says answer questions here. Click this, and then it will bring up the Google form. Google form, you need to put your first name, last name, student ID, and class period. And then there will be areas in the next screens for you to upload your additional answers. So here's where you answer the questions for the Mandala video. And then you'll go to the next ones, and let's just go ahead and choose the answers so I can go to the next one. And then here you will have opportunities to upload your examples of your mandala. So say you do the sidewalk chalk option, you'll click add file, and then you will upload your file there. So the rest of the options as we go around the board, found object mandala, you can look at the samples. There are different samples linked throughout. You're going to create your own mandala out of objects you find. Look at the objects and the objects used that are in the samples. You'll take a picture of the mandala you create using your phone or the camera on your Chromebook and submit it in the form. Sidewalk chalk, here is a video that shows how to create a mandala. You can create that mandala outside using sidewalk chalk, something for your neighbors to enjoy as well. Again, take a picture and upload it. Weave Silk is a website where you can create a mandala. This links to the website itself, and this links to the video where I tell you and show you how to use the website. You'll be able to screenshot your work or save it and submit it on the form. Mandala rock painting, there's a video that shows how to do that. And then there's actually two. I need to go back and link the second one. And then you can find a rock out on a walk while you're in your neighborhood, or maybe you have one in your own yard. Try not to steal a rock from somebody, but creatively find and obtain a rock. And then you can use any paint that you have. I wouldn't use watercolor, of course, but you can use acrylic, you can use craft paint. You could, if you have extra spray paint at home, you could spray it on a smooth surface to create a little puddle and use that. You can use nail polish. You can get creative with the tools that you use for that, and then take a picture of it and submit the form. Mandala collage, there are different samples here as well. You can use construction paper, mail, wrapping paper, catalog paper. There's lots of examples in the samples that I give you. Or you can also create a digital collage where you just cut and paste an image into mandala form in a Google slide. And then again, take your picture or screenshot it and submit it. There's an article if you prefer just to read something and answer a few questions. There's 3 questions that you need to answer with that, and that's also at the end of this form. You can just draw a mandala on paper. Again, this video is the same as the video that's here for sidewalk chalk on how to create a mandala, and then create it on paper using pencil, pen, marker, whatever drawing materials you have. And then take a picture with your phone or your web camera and submit it. And then this last one is Mandala Creator. It's an additional website that you can create a mandala from. This takes you to the website. This takes you to my tutorial video on how to use the website. So if you have any questions, just go ahead and comment in the assignment comment area, so that way I can answer the questions for everybody. And if you have anything else, just shoot me an email, let me know, and we will take care of it. Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you have fun with this.